Succulents so strange you'll swear they're from another planet. These bizarre alien-like succulents, with surreal colors and strange shapes, thrive on Earth yet look sculpted from another world. Meet 8 of them. Echeveria black prince forms near-black rosettes that glow richer under sunlight, erupting into fiery crimson blooms for a stunning dramatic contrast. Haworthia cooperi forms jelly-like translucent leaves that glow from within, looking like alien crystals while thriving toughly in minimalist settings. Euphorbia obesa, a spineless striped green orb from South Africa, looks like an alien egg, quietly blooming tiny crowned flowers as it matures. Crassula Buddha's temple stacks perfect layers of gray-green leaves into a serene geometric column, blooming pink flowers like a sacred alien tower. Sedum morganianum, or burro's tail, trails thick pastel vines of chubby leaves, blushing pink in sunlight and creating a surreal living sculpture. Lithops, tiny succulents disguised as desert stones, hide in plain sight until they bloom vibrant daisy-like flowers, revealing their secret beauty. Kalanchoe fang pairs soft, fuzzy leaves with fierce red spines, revealing a sculptural alien beauty that's both cuddly and dangerously surreal. The ghost plant shimmers in silver, blue, and lavender hues, shifting colors with light, trailing like a resilient, dreamlike cloud through your garden.